For mirror image drawing, which is week 2, I thought it would be fun to stick with the theme, American history theme. So we're going to do a bald eagle, and most children do better going from left to right. So we'll have our bird facing this way, and they're again just going to draw what they see. So you think, okay, this curved line is going in towards the edge of the paper like that. It's going towards the edge of the paper, out towards the edge of the paper. So I need to draw a curved line out towards the edge of the paper. And then you're going to continue that all the way to that stopping point. Okay. Then I notice there's a C going a backwards C going that way. So I'm going to do a backwards C going like that, the opposite direction. And then there's a curved line that goes up and dips down a little and goes around, and it starts about where that C is. So I'm going to go up, dip down a little, curve down, and I'm just going to follow that all the way down. You can already tell mine is not looking as good as that one. And that's why we keep an eraser on hand, and they're going to erase. And then so we're going to follow it all the way around like that. And then we finished that side. So we're going to come back to this point. This goes up and does a curved line up towards the top of the paper and then slightly down. So I'm going to do a curved line up towards the top of the paper and slightly down, and it kind of goes past this C shape. So I want to do the same thing. Then I'm going to start at this point. This is almost a straight line, but then it starts to descend and curve inward like a C. So I'm going to do the same, except I'm going to be doing a backward C. So it goes in and it starts to curve inward towards the C, and then it just kind of, and see, I made his neck too small, so I'm going to go back and erase. And try that again. That's why I usually say write really lightly. So I'm going to start to descend a little bit sooner, make my neck a little bit broader. I don't like how narrow that is over there either now. Okay, so now I'm going to come back, and I see that there's a curved line over here going like a C this way. So I'm going to do the same thing, and it's going to follow around like that. I'm sorry, you can't see the whole paper. So I'm going to do the same thing, curved line. And then I'm going to do his eyeball. And then his pupil. And then I'm going to go back and do his nostril. I'm just trying to draw the mirror of what I see. And there's a way we're going to be able to tell in a minute how well we did. Now these lines are kind of curving in where his neck, where his head is. And then some of these down here at the bottom. So to see if our drawing is correct, what we're going to do is we're going to, this is something you can do. You can do this with black. Go ahead and trace over it with black. Then put it on top of the current drawing and hold it up to a mirror. Not a mirror, I'm sorry. Hold it up to a window and see how accurate you were. And you can see my differences. And mirror image drawing is really tricky, but that's just a fun way for the kids to see how well they did or how well they didn't do. And then you can let them color it if you want.